Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to make Google Forms public but not editable. So let's get started. So if you want to make your forms public but no one should be able to edit that form, so to do that what you have to do is first of all open up your forms. So just simply open up your Chrome browser, and after opening up your browser, in search bar you can search for forms.google.com. And after searching for forms.google.com, now what you can do is just simply select the preferred form. But before doing that, just simply make sure that you have logged into your account and then select your form. And after selecting your form, now what you can do is tap on the settings option which is on the top of your screen. After tapping on settings, now you just have to tap on responses. After tapping on responses, you will find an option which is allow responses editing. All you have to do is just simply turn it off, and after turning it off, now you can just simply share your form and no one will be able to edit that. So that's it guys, this is how to make Google Forms public but not editable. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.